I want to turn this picture of me as Shego into something way cooler. Growing up, I absolutely loved Kim Possible, and Shego was my favorite character. So for Halloween, my friend and I dressed up as Kim Possible and Shego. And I took this photo of myself with the intention of turning it into something kind of cool. So my idea was that I wanted to make it look like I was actually in this kind of universe, not necessarily the Kim Possible universe, but some kind of universe where I have magic powers and I could defeat my enemies with a single zap. This is me playing around with a graphic that I found on Adobe stock. I wasn't sure if I wanted to buy that one, and I ended up not, so I ended up deleting that one. And then I found this kind of really cool electric fireball overlay, and so I went with that, and I had to obviously change the color to green to match my very DIY Halloween costume. So now I'm just playing around with some colors and adding some depth into the graphic, making sure I actually look like I'm cut out properly, adding some smoke overlay to, add some more visual interest. And this really cool lightning bolt, which I felt matched the vibe. And I am thrilled with the final outcome.